Hey guys, it's me again, Jay, and for today's vlog, I'm gonna give you some tour here in San Remo, Italy. And ayan guys, so we're just going out of the shift to go to San Remo. And yeah, San Remo is an island, guys. And we need to ride a thunderboat going there since yung island in nasa gitna siya ng dagat. And we're just going to the second floor for our seat for the thunderboat. And this is me, guys, and my friend Romnick. So, ayan, so dalawa kaming pupunta doon. And ayan, so paalis na tayo, guys, together with all the pasahero inside of the thunderboat. And yung biyahe pala natin doon is around 20 to 30 minutes, I guess. So, ayan guys, so paalis na tayo. As you can see, this is the ship, guys. It's really big. Ayan, so nakikita nyo ngayon, guys, medyo mainit siya. Pero hindi ho yan siya. Walang effect yung init yun, guys. Kasi malamig pa din dito kasi winter. And ayan, so we're just having our GGSS and fantasy together with the madam at the back. So nakikijoin sila. So, biyahe pa din tayo, guys, papunta doon. Ayan, as you can see, ayan o, ang daming tao. And meron pa din doon sa mga pasahero sa ibaba, sa first floor. And finally, guys, we just arrived here at the port of the San Remo, guys. Baklaan kami, guys, rampa. Ayan o, going there. Ayan, naglalakad pa din tayo, guys. So, ang ganda ng araw, ang ganda ng, diba, ng weather for today's video. And ayan diba, naka-winter jacket pa din ng outfit ng mga natin doon. Mga tao doon, ayan. Ayan, naparampa kami dito, having our own fantasies. And ayan, lakad-lakad kami kasi we need to go to the center of the city, guys. Ayan o. Ayan, nandun sa gitna pa yung city. So, nilalakad lang namin sila. Tapos, ayan. So, this is me, guys. This is my outfit for today. I'm having this white shirt from Calvin Klein. This is my inner shirt. I have this pearlestes de silanganan as always. And my pants, guys. I bought this from Thailand. And the shoes, the chunky shoes we have from Shein, and I have this bag, an Italian brand bag, and my wallet from Tommy, and this is my shade from Zara. Ayan, so this is the all set outfit that we have for today. Ayan, so Rampasiwakla, guys. So we are here a restaurant, a restaurant outside. So we're just looking for food, but we decided not to eat for now because we need to have a rampahan, videos for this. And this is the vlog. And as you can see, guys, the view there, no? It's really nice. When I was seated in the yung parang siya, yung parang sa likod ng ship. And we decided also to go here in the beach, guys. So may dito may parang resort din dito na pwede kang pumasok, guys. It depends on you kung maliligo ka ng dagat. And they have also the cottages to rent in. So ayan o, as you can see, lakad. Ayan o, you can see, guys, the flag of the Philippines. There's a flag of the Philippines in the first nung first lakad natin. You can see on the video on the right side. So this is the San Remo, Canterbury, San Remo, del 1993. Ayan, guys. So lakad-lakad si Akla, guys. So we're just having, fantasies here kasi, diba, tagal-tagal na namin parang hindi na-feel yung ng simoy ng dagat. Even though we're just always in the sea, guys, so hindi talaga namin yung dagat kasi nasa loob lang kami palagi. Ayan, so as you can see, guys, it's really nice. Ayan ito yung dagat. And this is all the places, guys. There's a lot of yachts here. Ayan baklaan na naman. Ayan, ikot-ikot, rampa-rampa, diba? Ayan, and it's just really refreshing, guys, pag nakalabas ako ng ibang city, ibang bansa. Ayan, so we are here, guys, kasi nga dito, guys, they're just having a concert, which is the San Remo Concert 2025. So ayan, pumunta kami dito. And rampahan na naman guys, fulfilling my fantasy as a supermodel. Ayan pa, ibot-ibot si Akla of I really love my outfit for this kasi parang comfy lang siya for me. And ayan, we're just here inside of the souvenir shop here in San Remo kasi I need to complete all the, the wrap magnet for me, sa mga ano natin, 'di ba? Kasi lahat ng mga bansang napupuntahan ko, bumibili ako ng wrap magnet. Ayan. Para 'di ba, may remembrance naman tayo. And ayan na, so tapos na kaming namili doon sa souvenir shop. And we're just walking, going back. Ayan, so pauwi na tayo guys. Ayan o, krampa-rampa sila Akla. Pauwi na kami ng kasama ko. Ayan, emote. Diba? Hey guys, ayan, rampa kami. Makapagkaalam, maksagasaan kami dyan. Basta rampa lang dahil. Ayan, so we are here guys. We're just waiting for the Thunder Road. Ayan, so ayan na siya. Nakapila na kami dito pa uwi guys. Ayan pa. We're just checking outfit again. Oh my God. Ayan, so ayan, rampa. Ayan, nakatapos ang rampa. Tsaka galaan tayo guys. Ayan. And finally, nakapasok na kami sa Thunder Road guys. Pauwi na kami. And ayan pa. Oh my God, it's really, hindi lang masyadong yung makeup natin dito guys, but I'm just giving you the freshness type of look for today's kasi gusto ko lang parang diba, nakikibagay lang tayo sa sa ambience ng araw and my outfit kasi yung outfit natin for today is parang diba, professional na malinis kunwari hindi ka naman malinis sa sarili bakla. Ayan o, so na-arrive na kami dito guys. We're just waiting to open the gangway kasi there's a first Thunder Road na nag-arrive, so we need to stay in the center of the sea guys here. So waiting na matapos yung first na Thunder Road na maipasok yung mga pasahero for that. And ayan na, kami na yung next papasok. And oh my God, diba, is really big. Oh my God, look at the flag of the Italy. Yan lang guys, ito yung video natin for today's video. Manood kayo and just follow me. Bye!